Stakeholders has continued to lobby for the review of laws to guide the practice of veterinary medicine. The vet professions and the paraprofessions law, which regulates all the players in the veterinary profession, is a timely example.
Through this, the Kenya Veterinary Association lobbied the government, lobbied the stakeholders, and in conjunction with all other players within the animal resource industry, they managed to ensure that the government, through its various arms, brought on board animal health technicians so that for the first time since this country's history, they can able to be regulated, and the farmer shall be able to know who is an animal health technician bona fide and who is not, who is a veterinary surgeon bona fide and who is not.
The new constitution in which veterinary medicine is enriched and the vet and para law will restore sanity in the practice of veterinary medicine.
We are celebrating 50 years of the College of Veterinary Medicine at the University of Nairobi. We collaborate with the University of Nairobi in terms of research, and also they provide us with the manpower. Most of the vets we are having working at Kevavapi are actually trained by the University of Nairobi.
The Alumni Association takes opportunity together with faculty members to educate partners in industry and explain really what's the objective of the association. And one of the things that we are using is participating in scientific conferences and supporting such events, and also inviting key alumni to speak to professionals as well as undergraduate students as a way of educating and disseminating this concept of alumni.
As part of our celebrations, the FVM, in collaboration with the KVA, will jointly hold an international scientific conference at Safari Park Hotel on Thika Road from the 25th to the 27th of April 2012. And will celebrate the World Veterinary Day on the 20th of April 2012, during which free treatment of animals will be carried out. As the Faculty of Veterinary Medicine celebrates her 50 years of serving the nation, we wish to assure the nation and the region that we shall strive to meet the market needs through continuous review of our curriculum to remain the teaching and research institution in the region. This we shall do by working in collaboration with the Kenya Veterinary Association, the Kenya Veterinary Board, the Director of Veterinary Services, research institutions, pharmaceutical companies, and other stakeholders in ensuring a vibrant livestock sector.